I Can't Do That Yet. Growth Mindset by Esther Pia Cordova, illustrated by Mema W. Ediputra. It's bedtime, Anna. Anna loves all kinds of times: free time, playtime, cookie time, and even brushing teeth time. Bedtime is the time that Anna doesn't like, but everybody knows that before bedtime comes story time, and Anna loves story time. Anna's dad asked her to read the first page. Like every evening, Anna responded, "I can't do that." Halfway through the story, Baxter crawled into the bed. Her dad pretended that he didn't notice. Anna couldn't remember the end of the story. She must have fallen asleep, but suddenly she wasn't in her bed anymore. She looked around and saw a woman. The woman was tall with long brown hair and glasses. Anna had the feeling she knew her. Somehow they must have met before. "Finally, you are here. I was waiting for you all day long," said the woman. "Let me show you what we have done." The woman smiled and took Anna by the hand. "Look, Anna, this is our office. We usually arrive here at around 9 in the morning. The team we work with is awesome. We hired a bunch of very talented and smart people. Everybody works together, and we lead the technical department. Anna could tell that the woman was excited, but she had no idea what she was talking about. She didn't want to interrupt her, but she didn't understand why the woman kept saying, "We." Anna had never been here before, and why did the woman look so familiar? Yesterday was a crazy day. The servers went down and everybody was worried. At first, we couldn't find the problem in the code. Our web page wasn't showing anything, but fortunately we were able to fix it in just 20 minutes. Anna was confused. She didn't know what servers were or why they were important, but she was glad that the woman was able to fix the problem. Then the woman took Anna to her desk. There she turned on her computer and started writing something on a green background. "Anna, I'm going to take a break. Can you finish the rest of the work?" "I can't do that." "Really?" The woman started laughing, and Anna thought that was mean, but her laugh was so contagious that she eventually had a laugh too. Suddenly, the woman got up and went to the fridge. She put celery sticks and a jar of peanut butter on the counter. Slowly, the woman started to put a celery stick directly in the jar. Anna's mom always told Anna to use a fork instead of putting the celery directly in the jar, but the woman didn't seem to care. Anna still couldn't remember the woman's name, so she asked, "You were telling me all these things, but I don't even know your name." The woman looked Anna in the eyes and said, "I'm you, and you are me." That was not possible. How can one person also be another person? The woman stood up from her chair and whispered, "My name is Anna, and I'm a possible version of you in the future. The only thing different about me and you and me is time." Anna was confused. "That can't be true. I don't even know what you're talking about. Server code? I can't do any of that." "You can't do that, Anna? You can't do that yet, because we haven't had the time you haven't had the time that I've had. When we were 16, we started to learn computer programming. We made this little game, and everything went from there. You really wanted this, and so you created me, just like you created this game. But I don't remember any of that." "How could you? This is the future. If you want this, it could be your future." Anna couldn't believe what she had just heard. How could all of this be possible? She was like this woman. She wasn't like this woman at all. But maybe she really could be like her. This future seemed exciting. Anna had so many thoughts at once that she wasn't able to say anything. The woman said that Anna could be her if she wanted. But what if she didn't want to be like her? Anna didn't want to hurt her old self's feelings, so she didn't say anything. Anna's older self looked at her and said gently, "You don't need to say anything. I know exactly how you feel. I want you to meet a few people before you have to go. All of them care very much about you." With these words, she opened the door wide, and Anna could see what was inside. The room was full of Annas. There were so many Annas that she didn't know which one to focus on first. Each one seemed different, but at the same time similar. Nobody seemed to notice little Anna. She wished she were able to stay forever and to meet every single one of them. Just when she finally had the courage to step into the room full of Annas, the door closed. Suddenly, Anna's feet started to feel wet. She heard a voice far away. The voice told her that she had to go now. She then heard her old self telling her one last thing. We are always inside of you, even when you don't see, feel, or know it. Anna felt Baxter licking her feet and quickly realizing that she was back in her own bed. She got up right away and told her dad, "I want to try to read the first page tonight. With a little time, I'll get it right. I just can't do it yet. I can't do that yet. Yet."